Hey guys, Todd with Vapor Awning Technologies. Today we're looking at our reclaimer and our dust collector on our dry blast cabinet. The way this is actually set up, once the media comes through the bottom of the cabinet, it's brought back up into our cyclone here. As the media comes in, it's going to spin the media. The heavier media is actually going to fall down and will actually go back down into the hopper here, which in turn goes into your pressure pot. The smaller, finer media that is not usable is actually going to come out the top of this, and it's going to deposit back over into this machine. And once it's over here, the media is going to come inside your small, fine media that's not reusable. You've got a filtration system. The filters can easily be changed and cleaned. You just take the nut loose here on these, you can pull them out, you can clean them out. At the back of this particular machine, there actually is an air blast system to where air is shot through the filters on the inside that actually help clean those filters back out. But once everything has been filtered through and you've got your unusable media back inside of this cabinet, there's a ball valve on the very bottom down here. You can open that up and dump your extra media that's no longer usable back into the tote or the bag or whatever you want to put it in. Check with your local government, your local EPA on how you need to dispose of this. There's too many different regulations from state to state. In most cases, if it doesn't have heavy metals in it, it can be disposed in a sanitary landfill. But again, check with your local EPA on how you need to dispose of it. If you have any questions or comments, give me a call. Phone number is 828-202-5563. Thanks for watching.